Chapter 6 Fundamental Analysis 2 Video 3 Profit and Loss Statement Analysis. Profit and loss statement. Profit and loss statement or P&L statement is financial statement that summarize the revenue, cost and expenses incurred during a specific period, usually fiscal quarter or year. P&L statement or profit and loss statement is same as income statement. It is important to compare P&L statement from different accounting period as the changes in revenue, operating costs, research and development spending and net earning over time are more meaningful than numbers themselves. Before jumping on to the practical analyzing P&L statement, let's try to understand what is EBITDA and profit. Sales minus total expense is EBITDA, that is earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization. EBITDA minus DA, that is EBIT, that is earning before interest, tax. So we have subtracted depreciation and amortization and we are getting EBIT. EBIT minus interest, that will be EBT, earning before tax. So interest is subtracted now, and then from EBIT tax will be subtracted, that will be PAT or EAT, profit after tax or earning after tax. That is company's core profit. One need to analyze where company's expenses are increased, how profit, tax and other expenses are related to each other. For an example, if company's expenses are increasing with time, then one should make sure that sales do increase, because that will eventually increase in their profit. Hence, their profit should be checked and compared with previous 3 to 4 years of data. So guys, let's now download and analyze profit and loss statement for Aditya Birla Fashion Retail. So what you need to do is search Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. Then under this blue bar, go under financials, and then second option, profit and loss. Scrolling down, here is your profit and loss statement in new format. So make sure that you are downloading a balance sheet, profit and loss statement and cash flow under the new format. Balance sheet new format, profit and loss new format and cash flow new format. What you need to do is you need to copy this data. Let me paste here. Let's a bit arrange this data so that it looks good. I will be selecting all the data, convert into normal. Then for the dates, I will be going under fonts, size 11, not bold, background, white. Okay. I will be putting this under sequence, that is from left hand side to right hand side. The year would be in sequence of 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So your profit and loss statements, there are few main components like income. So what is the income or revenue of the firm from the particular year? So revenue from operation, that is gross revenue here from year 16 till 20. You can see that is increasing. Subtracting excise, service tax and other things will be giving you guys revenue from operations, net revenue, that is also increasing year by year. Then your total operating revenue, that is income from operations plus other income, that will give you total revenue. Let's check out the total revenue. Yeah, that is increasing. Scrolling down comes the expenses, that is cost of materials consumed, that is raw material. Then change in inventories, employee benefit expenses, financial cost, or you can say interest, depreciation and amortization expenses, other expenses. So here are your total expenses. Checking total expenses, they are also increasing. Again, scrolling down, here are the details, that is profit and loss before tax. Correct. The total tax that needs to be paid, that is total tax expenses, increased. So your profit and loss for the period, so from 2019 March to 2020 March, the profit has decreased. Okay, even the firm is making loss. So what can be the reason? Because if you are checking here, the total revenue is increasing year on year, total expenses are increasing, but what is the rate of increase of expenses and revenue? You also need to check what is the reason that cost the firm loss. From here you can see that the revenue has increased, that is right, and from here you can also see that total expenses of the firm has increased. So you need to figure it out that what are the exact expenses that has increased. You can also check the notes under annual report, we have already seen. So if you guys have not watched our previous video, go through those, and there you can find the details exactly which expenses has increased. Scrolling down, P&L statement also mention basic earning per share, spares, stores, and at last they also mention dividend and dividend percentage. Here I have applied the growth formula, that is present year minus past year by past year. Their growth of revenue has been 0.09 and expenses are 0.06. Hence here the growth of revenue is more, their income is more. The growth is 0.084. Here the growth has been 0.086. So it is almost equal, we can say. For March 19, comparing the data from March 18 to March 19, the growth is 0.135 and their expenses growth is around 0.12. So you can see here that from year March 16 till March 19, the revenue growth is more cumulatively compared to total expenses. So the growth from March 19 to March 20, that is present year minus past year by past year, is 0.076 for their revenue, but their expenses are 0.097. So you can see here that the growth of the revenue is less compared to growth of their expenses, hence their expenses are more. Okay, comparing to the past data, their expenses are more. So in similar way also you can find that exactly which expenses they have incurred more compared to the past data, and because of that this figure is increasing, and so does this figure is increasing, that is the growth of expenses for March 20. And because this figure is less, that may incur your loss. So this can be one of the reason that the profit and loss for the period has decreased, because their expenses are more. So under this you need to find under the notes of annual report that what are the exactly expenses which has incurred more by this firm. So guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, comment, share, and follow Intellect Panthomath on Instagram and YouTube. Stay tuned for latest updates and more videos. Thank you.